We don't do reviews here very often, but a friend of ours since, oh man, back in the PBS days, about 20 years ago, Steve Worster was on our show, and is a great guy, and he has a lot of cool ideas and really good wood turner. But he came up with an idea for one thing that's always been driving me crazy, is how to store my sanding discs. He 3D prints this, and I think this is just genius. And it's not just a holder, but as the holder, I have my 80, 120, 180, 240. I go all the way up to like 800 or 1,000 grit on here. It holds everything you want, right? And it's really cool is he's got rare earth magnets here. So if you want to keep this standing up, you simply plump it down on there, and then you're mounted. It's really good. The other thing, which I think is really awesome, is he's got magnets on the back too, right? And he's got a mounting system. So I can just plunk this up here and it stays on the wall out of the way. He even 3D prints you a little template so you know where to drill the holes. And his mind keeps working. And the one thing I'm going to use every single time I turn and need sandpaper is this cool little thing. And it's a small disc holder. Why only 2? Well, you plunk it up here on your headstock, right? And so I want to start off with my 80 grit. I grab it, put it on here, use it, take it off, turn it around, put it in this one that's empty. And then I go to my next grit. And you just wind up putting them back over to the other side and filling them up till you're done, and then rinse and repeat. I think that is so cool. So if you're interested in Steve Worster's sanding disc sander holder, look at turningwood.com. He's a great guy, really good person to do business with, and he's been a friend of ours for a long time.